This is the Zomei Q111. It's a great low budget aluminium tripod which extends from 47 centimeters to 140 centimeters. I found with this fully extended with my camera, the lens is positioned at 5 feet high. Here you can see the tripod comes with a carrier case. There's also a hook positioned underneath the tripod for you to hang the case onto, or you can add extra weight if you want to weigh down the tripod. This tripod's available in red, black and blue. It also comes with an instruction manual. Now we're going to have a look at setting this up, seeing what we can do with it, see what features we got. For a low budget tripod, it feels like it's made well and it's very sturdy. I didn't want to spend too much, but I was happily surprised that when I bought this at a low budget that it is actually made well, it's decent, it's something I use all the time, and I'm glad at this price I can do all that I need to. Top of the tripod we have a quick release plate that we can mount to our camera. Simply pull out the lever and lock our camera into place. We can pan and tilt. We have a handle here that we can tilt up and down and turn left and right for a smooth pan in action. Simply loosen the plastic wheel on the left hand side and then you're able to turn it left and right, and simply turn clockwise to tighten again. This will stop the camera from moving. To tilt up and down, simply twist the handle anti-clockwise and tilt up and down to get the correct camera position you're looking for. Then simply turn clockwise to tighten at the position that you want. When your camera is on the top of the tripod, you can loosen the plate and turn it vertically if you're looking to take portrait photos. Simply turn clockwise to tighten again. Here we also have this plastic windy lever. Turn this wheel anti-clockwise and then we're able to raise up the camera. So if we've got our tripod set up to a certain height but we just want an extra little bit of height, we can just adjust this section here and turn clockwise to tighten. This way it will stop the camera from moving. You can lock and unlock the tripod from moving by twisting this little section in the middle. Here we have the hook where we can attach our bag. The folded up length of this tripod is 50 centimeters. The load capacity of the tripod is 3 kilograms. I use a Sony mirrorless camera with a battery grip and also a light attached to mine, and this handles that just perfectly fine. At any of the positions I angle this tripod, and the weight of the tripod itself is 1.18 kilograms. The feet of the tripod is a ball head, allowing the feet to adjust to the surface that you place the tripod on. Here I'm going to show you how to extend the legs. Here's the quick release plate that comes with the tripod. I keep this mounted to my camera at all times. I've taken it off here to show you it mounting onto the battery grip that's on my camera. Here it has a 1/4 inch thread that we can just screw to the bottom of our camera by twisting the plastic ring clockwise. Here you just simply pull out the lever on the tripod, place the plate into the gap and push the lever back closed. This locks the camera onto the tripod. This is a very quick way to attach it to the tripod and remove when needed. Here we're just looking at all the different angles. Now we're just going to have a look at all the different positions and angles we can tilt and move this camera whilst attached to the tripod. Once we have our desired height, we can simply turn the handle just to pan left and right. And we can turn the handle so that we can then tilt up and down, and we can also tilt up and down whilst panning. We can also tilt our camera straight down if you need to film objects on the floor or on a table, which in this position we can also pan left or right. I figured I was also able to hold the spongy grips on the tripod, being able to lift the film in front of me or turning it towards myself in case you was looking to do some vlogging, which you have the option to hold with one hand or two hands. Now we'll have a look at turning the bracket on the tripod vertically, then turn the lever clockwise to tighten. That will lock your camera into this position. Here's the tripod at its smallest and tallest. Thanks for watching. I'll leave links and information in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, you're welcome on board. Like the video if this was helpful. Welcome, and I'll see you on the next one.